Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to use side button to launch camera in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. This is side button. If you double press this side button, camera will launch. Okay, for that you have to make sure some settings. Go to the settings of your phone, then go to advanced features, then here select the side button and turn on this double press. First option is quick launch camera. So if you press this side button, that is power key, 2 times, camera will be launching, camera will open. See here, I am showing the demo. Camera is opened. Okay, see here, once again I am showing the demo. This is side button, just double press. This is single press. You have to quickly press. Okay, yes, camera is opened. So in this way you can easily set side button to open camera in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.